Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some yeast-free bread. You can eat it with your soups or you can use it as a wrap. You add some salt to it and you can add some herbs to it if you like. You can leave them out if you don't like them, it's fine. Mix this together. I put wholemeal flour and white flour in there, so it's a mix of both. Add in your water. So it needs to get to this consistency when you add in your water. It's too thick to mix with a spoon, so you put your spoon or spatula to one side and then start to knead it with your hands. You can do it in the bowl, it's fine. If it's sticky like this, you can add some more flour to it. Flours absorb water differently, so if you're using a different flour to one you're used to using, you may notice that your dough is too wet or too dry. But you just add flour and it should be okay. So it's got the right consistency that I want. I'm going to leave this for about 15 minutes to rest, and then we can start rolling it out into a wrap shape. So this has been resting for a few minutes. I'm going to divide it into about 8 pieces. So I'm going to get my scale, add a piece of parchment, put the dough on there. It's about 480 grams. So I'm just going to divide this by 8. And then make sure each one is that size. So I'm just going to put this dough to one side and just put another one there. They're going to be about 60 grams each. Put some flour on there and then we're going to start rolling it out. Here's my rolling pin. Then you turn it. You can add a bit more flour on your rolling pin. If it gets sticky, just add more flour. And it has to be quite thin. Roll and turn so that you have more of a circle shape. Okay, roll it out until it's about this thin. Put these on a pan, a very hot pan. You know when to flip it when it gets dark all over and it's beginning to puff up. Can you see here it's a bit puffed up? It's slightly darker in color than when I first put it on the pan. I'm going to flip it. I'm going to remove these and put on a plate. You carry on with the rest of your dough in the same way. I'm going to use this as a wrap, so I'm just going to put some meat on there and some peppers. You can just add anything you want in there. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.